Hello, Mr. Washington.
Sila din. Sila tayo. Kasi may sasakyan, di ba? Hindi naman. Na ano lang, parang may sakit kasi sa puso daw. Tapos ang naging sakit niya yata, mahiluin. Mahilig.
Nice rapping.
Kaya pag gumaling na yun, hinahatid pa ni Pepe. Kaysa naman ng kasama.
No, 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 no.
Oo, sige, sige. Oo, sige, bye-bye. Oh, Baridoyo. Saan galing daw?
Yes. Some of the junk foods
Kaya kami lang magpabulis.
Real fruits are like for vegetables. For example, tomatoes,
Melody?
oranges,
Dito sa
berries.
dito sa Bukana?
Basta all the fruits and vegetables. Okay, so when we say go foods, it gives us energy. For example, like rice, bread, or cereal, and whatever. Okay. If we say grow foods, it's like for vegetables. It's like vegetables and fruits. Okay, and if we say grow foods, it's like an ulam, dinner, lunch, or dinner, or